What's up, guys? This is your man AA Fix with another video hunting down a problem where the fan stays on. Every second I turn the engine off and you'll see the fan will remain on. As you can see, this fan is still active at full speed. I'm going to test this, checking the fuse under the hood. So that's 50 amp right here. When I pull this is the fan fuse. The fan should go on. And as you can see, the fan is now turning off, which means there's a problem with the fan. This whole fan assembly has to be replaced. What happens is the internal switch is built into the fan housing. The whole fan unit is not a separate switch. So that has to be replaced. And as soon as I put that on there, it reactivates. So I'm just going to lay that there. And it goes there. Yeah, I had a problem. I just replaced the battery because it left stranded. And I believe it's because this unit failed and it keeps running the battery down. So that's how to check that fan. There's another way to do this, and it's to unplug the fan, but the connector is not easy to get to. So I'm not going to try that route. But we know our problem is the fan, so we're going to replace the fan. Thanks for watching.